Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn $500 daily. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. So how do you make $500 in a single day? Every day? Ask Wonder will answer that question for you. But first, let us give you a brief description of this website. It is a platform where people and companies can hire internet-based researchers, and they take pride in the quality of work they provide at a quick turnaround time. You can earn money by joining their team as a research analyst. We want you to take a peek at this page. Just click the Apply Here button. It says here that you'll earn money using your mind, and a few benefits that you have, like choosing your working hours and having the opportunity of expanding your resume in your mind. Additionally, you can do these tasks using your phone or computer as long as you have a stable internet connection. The work is relatively easy to do. You can even do it in under 2 minutes, and it is entirely free, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. Just remember, if you type more words, you'll generate more cash. Now let's proceed with the sign-up process. You can start by filling the necessary information on this page. For example, your name, email address, and password. Then you may select your country of origin. And as you can see, they accept researchers from all over the world. When you're done, simply click Start Application. Ask Wonder will send you an email to activate your account. Once you've successfully logged in into your new account, you'll be required to take a short and simple online quiz and a trial assignment. You don't need to fear because these tests are suited for beginners and you can do them for free. When you're done with that, you are now eligible to complete different typing and research jobs. But before we continue with the walkthrough, let us give you the 4 stages of doing projects so you wouldn't be lost or confused. Since you have an account already logged in, the first step is to go to your research dashboard. This is where you can find the projects that are available to you. The second stage is essentially waiting for a request. Ask Wonder will be the one who will assign the task, and once you've received one, you can begin working immediately. In step 3, you'll be doing the project given to you by searching for and synthesizing the required information. And finally, you can submit your finished work and celebrate. Now that we're on our research dashboard, you can find here various tasks that we can research. And you won't need any prior experience because in a few moments, we'll show you a trick that will make the strategy a lot easier. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you found this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Let's get back to the video. Right now, we'll give you an example of how to do these research projects. We'll just tweak a few of these filters. So we'll select marketing and our desired market size. And once you click this button, you'll find all of these jobs that you can join on creating. In just this category, you'll be able to pick from 6 options. We'll click on this one to begin working on it. You see the question, what were the most expensive TV shows made in history? So what we'll do right now is to Google and search for the answer. And it doesn't really matter if you're doing this on your phone or desktop. We'll highlight the whole question, copy it, and paste it into the search bar. Once you press the search button, it'll show you all sorts of results and various responses to your query. Simply select one of these links and copy the results to a new document. And based on project requirement, we need to list the top 10 most expensive TV shows ever made. Using Google is the best trick you can do for this strategy. It makes the task easier to accomplish because you can simply copy and paste the answers that you need. Once you've found a search result that fits the requirements, you can just highlight everything and paste it onto a blank document. And as you can see, it copied everything, even the images. However, keep in mind that this may not always work. There are clients who search for direct results or some questions that would not reveal the answers from the first webpage you see. That's what we'll show you for the second example. As you can see, the question here is more challenging than the first. What are the fastest expanding cities in the United States? It may take a few searches and changing different words in the question before you find the answer you are looking for. Now we'll settle for this result. The fastest expanding cities in the United States and what's driving the growth. Then we'll just repeat the earlier method. Copy and paste everything onto a fresh Google Docs. With just these 2 research projects we've finished, we are able to earn a total of $100. And you have seen how easy it is to accomplish. Just by copying and pasting, you can make this much money and even more every day. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to make money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.